Pasok na tayo dito guys sa cave ng Wookey. Tayo sa cave guys. Adventure ulit tayo. Yeah. Akita tayo guys sa Wookey Cave. Yung tour guide natin naguna.
There's a few things that you need to know before we work our way round. It is wet underfoot throughout the caves, which is normal, but it's worn away from those mountains, eroded by the action of water, so seas and rivers of course, but especially the meltwater from the last ice age, which played a huge part in the fact that we have a cave here.
Und die Leute aus dem Dorf haben gedacht, das ist alles schuld, was schief läuft im Dorf. Ne? Wenn Menschen krank werden, die Kühe keine Milch geben, boah, halt so fest, das dann ja. Ja, Menschengewicht ist gerade vor 4.000 Jahren, als wir keine Häuser gebaut haben.
Look at guys, there's a boat. Look at the boat. Look. Ito yung cave guys.
Okay, so we're now in a chamber known as the Witch's Kitchen. In the scheme of the story about the witch, this is the chamber where she's said to have fled to after that
Tourist guide guys.
Father Bernard. She's supposed to have come down here and hidden in the dark. Bernard follows, working his way down the slope, no steps then of course, and then by the aid of candlelight gets down to the river and scoops up some water in his chalice, the small bowl he has with his blessing, walks around scattering holy water far and wide. Eventually, there's a scream. It's the sound of the hiding witch being splashed by holy water and turned to stone forevermore. All that's said to remain of her head, looking out towards the River Axe, which is said her bonnet on the chin, all form a profile looking towards the river. Witches, generally speaking, are said to have cats for company, this witch and a dog, or old Dougal. If these get blocked, they'll turn into stalactites. And then down beneath us, we've got the River Axe, on top of the Mendip Hills above you, and then it flows out into the sea, the Bristol Channel, about 20 miles away, just south of Weston-super-Mare. It's about 6 to 9 degrees. Sometimes you'll see caves. It'll fill you in, tell you lots more. Okay.
Yuko tayo dito mataas. My head. Wow, the cave guys. Tingnan yung cave. Beautiful. Isang cave. Dito tayo sa different cave na naman. Ito sa Wookey Cave.
Okay, so we're now in a chamber known as the Great Hall. So the Great Hall has quite a cathedral-like look to it. It shares a couple of things in common with cathedrals. The height of this chamber is well over 20 metres. It's equivalent to the highest point of the inside of Wells Cathedral, which is a mile or so up the road. The other thing it shares in common with cathedrals, it's got amazing acoustics. It's probably got the best sound of any of the chambers that we visit. The only irony of that is that we visit a chamber further on, chamber 9, which is actually called the...
Dulas. Oh, dulas guys. Yung basa. Wow. Tubig yan guys. Oh. Wow. Oh yeah. You can hold it man lang. Because I can look. Video. Pasok tayo dito guys. Oh. Mind your head. Mind your head.
Well, even you're too tall for this.
Oh. Wow.
This is the witch's chimney. Oh, what's she read again?
Dito tayo sa kuiba guys. Site of the first ever cave dive on 14th July 1935 by the Graham, Balcom, and Reynold Rowell. Really?
So this chamber, chamber 3, does have another name. It's known as the Witch's Parlour. That's a very unique shape, as you can see, especially compared to what you've experienced so far, but also what's ahead of you as well. There is a reason for this shape. At the mount of the last ice age, water poured off the top of the mountain, creating cave systems throughout the local area. When the water came into this chamber, as it's water over there, that's actually the entrance to chamber 4. At the mount of the ice age, the water filled this chamber, forming an enormous whirlpool that spanned for a huge period of time, stirring up rocks and debris and literally grinding it out into this amazing shape. It's a famous chamber in terms of...
Bubong dito. Mababa ang bubong. Ay, nasa stairs na tayo guys. Umakit na tayo. Sa Cueva tayo guys, sa Cueva. Sabay tayo sa mga grupo. Haba? May ilaw din pala.
We'll open the door. We're not going in the door, but at least you can AC.
Guys, oh.
Is there anybody else?
Cheese. Tinatago nila dito
Yeah, I
yung
thought there
cheese.
was.
Kasi
Yeah,
malamig.
that's fine.
Cheddar cheese. Oh my god. Wow. Hello, ganito pa rin may bag. Oh my god. Wow. Amazing. Look at guys. Ang taas.
What's red?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng cave na ito. Oh my god, dito tayo sa hagdan. Nakakatakot. Mas nakakatakot dito kaysa isang cave. Ang laki. Dito tayo guys. Oh. So, danan. Ano lang. Guys, Wookey Cave. Oh my god. Stop.
Look again.
Don't drop it. Drop it, no one's gonna get it.
No one? It didn't work. Wow, guys, ang ganda ng... Wow, the moon! Beautiful! Wow! So beautiful!